Hello, everyone! Welcome back to SimpleSpeak English. I'm Mark.
And I'm Lily. We're so happy you are here with us today. Maybe you are driving, maybe cooking, maybe walking, or maybe relaxing on your sofa with tea.
Whatever you are doing, thank you for spending time with us.
Today, we have a fun topic. Very useful, very interesting, and maybe a little dangerous.
Dangerous?
Yes, because after this episode, you may start changing your life.
Okay. Today's topic is rich habits in simple English.
But wait, we are not saying rich people are magical people.
Yes, no magic shoes, no golden toothbrush.
No secret banana that makes money appear.
If you have that banana, please call me.
Today, we mean habits. Small daily actions. Things many successful people often do.
And remember, rich habits are not only about money. They are habits that can improve life, health, time, and peace.
Exactly. A person can have money, but no peace. That is not success.
Very true. So let's begin.
Habit number 1. Waking up with purpose.
Many successful people do not wake up and say, what is happening today?
They know what they want to do.
Maybe not every minute, but they have direction.
For example, I know tomorrow morning I want to exercise, answer emails, and record this podcast.
I wake up and know I need coffee first.
That is also a plan.
A beautiful plan.
When you wake up with purpose, your day feels clearer.
Even a small plan helps. Example, today I will clean one room, study 10 new words, and call my mother. Habit number 2, reading and learning. Many successful people keep learning. They read books, listen to podcasts, ask questions. They know school can end, but learning should continue.
Exactly. You are doing that now by listening in English.
So, congratulations! You are already practicing a rich habit.
Look at you. Very fancy.
Maybe wearing pajamas, but still growing.
I once met a businessman, very busy man, but every day he read 10 pages of a book.
Only 10?
Yes, small amount, but after 1 year, many books finished.
That is powerful. Small daily steps.
Habit number 3, controlling spending.
Yes, the painful one.
Many people think rich means buying everything.
New shoes, new phone, new giant television bigger than the wall.
But many smart people ask first, do I need this?
I need snacks, though.
That is emotional spending.
Correct.
Example, you see a jacket online, beautiful jacket. You want it now.
Suddenly you feel cold, even in summer.
Yes! So smart people wait 1 day, then ask again tomorrow.
Many times the feeling disappears.
Exactly. Emotions can be expensive.
Habit number 4, saving money first.
This is important. Many people spend money first, then save what is left.
And what is left?
Sometimes sadness.
True.
Smart habit, when money comes in, save a little first, even small amounts.
$10, $20, whatever you can do.
Over time, small money grows.
Like a plant, water it regularly.
Yes,
Do not scream at the plant. Grow now! That does not work? No, Mark. I have tried.
Habit number 5. Taking care of health.
This is huge. Health is wealth.
If you are always tired, sick, stressed, life becomes harder.
Many successful people protect sleep, food, movement, and mental health.
Example, walking daily, drinking water, sleeping earlier.
I once slept at 2 a.m. and woke at 6 a.m.
How did you feel?
like an old sandwich.
Poor Mark.
Sleep matters.
Habit number 6. Choosing good people around you.
Very important. Energy spreads.
If people around you always complain, gossip, and stop your dreams, it affects you.
But if people encourage growth, kindness, learning, that also affects you.
Exactly. Choose people who clap when you win.
Not people who get angry because you improve.
Real friends celebrate your progress.
Habit number 7. Using time carefully.
Rich habits often mean respecting time.
Example, less endless scrolling, more meaningful action.
5 minutes on your phone can become 50 minutes.
Yes, I open my phone to check weather, then suddenly I know a stranger's cat's birthday.
How did you arrive there?
I do not know. It was fast.
Time disappears quietly.
So smart people ask, is this helping me?
Habit number 8. Solving problems calmly.
Problems happen to everyone. Rich, poor, young, old, everyone.
But some people panic immediately.
Fire everywhere! Run!
And some people breathe, think, and make a plan.
Example, car breaks down.
One person screams for 2 hours.
The car's still broken.
Another person calls help, checks options, stays calm.
Mark, same problem, better response.
Calm thinking is valuable.
Habit number 9. Consistency.
This word is important. Consistency means doing something regularly.
Not once with big energy, then disappearing for 3 months.
Exactly. Many dreams fail because people start strong and stop quickly.
Exercise 1 day, then reward yourself for 6 weeks.
Yes.
Better to do small actions often.
10 minutes daily study is stronger than 2 hours once a month.
Habit number 10. Gratitude.
Some people have much, but feel empty.
Because they only look at what they do not have.
Gratitude means noticing what is already good.
Food, family, health, progress, opportunity, peace. Today.
Even simple things, clean water, fresh air, a kind message.
Gratitude creates a rich heart.
That is beautiful.
Thank you. I practiced in the mirror.
Lily, can someone become rich only with habits?
Good question. Habits do not guarantee millions of dollars. Important point.
But habits increase chances of success. They improve decisions. They reduce waste. They build discipline.
They make life stronger.
Exactly.
What if someone listening feels behind in life?
Then start small today. Not tomorrow, not next year. today.
Example?
Read 1 page. Save $5. Walk 10 minutes. Learn 5 English words. Sleep earlier tonight.
Call your mother.
Yes, call your mother.
Mothers love that advice.
Which habit changed your life most?
Planning my mornings. When I start the day clearly, everything feels better. You?
Learning daily. Even 15 minutes. It keeps my mind alive.
Beautiful. Dear listeners, you do not need to copy rich people perfectly.
Take the habits that help you. Leave the habits that do not fit your life.
Build your own version of success. Lily, maybe success for you means freedom, family time, health, peace, enough money, and joy. That is a rich life too.
Before we finish, tell yourself this sentence. Small habits can change my future.
Say it again. Small habits can change my future.
Very nice.
And your English is improving with every episode. Slowly, naturally, step by step.
We are proud of you for learning. Truly.
Thank you for listening to SimpleSpeak English.
If you enjoyed this conversation, follow us and come back for the next episode.
Until next time, stay curious.
Stay kind. Stay consistent. And maybe hide from online shopping ads.
Excellent advice. Goodbye, everyone.
Bye.